Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of reposting a single picture in X. Reposting allows you to share a picture from one post to another. So let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device and navigate to the post that contains the picture you want to repost. Take your time to locate the specific post. Step 2. Once you're in the post, tap and hold on the picture that you want to repost. This action will activate the post options. Step 3. Tap on Post Photo from the available options. X will now prompt you to choose the destination where you want to repost the picture. Reposting a single picture in X is a great way to share captivating visuals with your friends or followers. Whether it's a stunning landscape, a delicious meal, or a memorable moment, reposting allows you to extend the reach of the picture and engage with others. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to repost a single picture in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.